Okay, welcome to this channel. My name is Martin, or Martin, or Martin, or Martin, or Martin, as we say in Sweden. So, anyway, don't forget to subscribe, even though you have no idea what kind of content this is. You have to subscribe, okay? What are we going to talk about today? Well, I'm talking about this guy. This little box, and more about what's inside this. Something hit me on the way here, biking. I couldn't bike fast enough to get here to open this and try this. I was very excited, and this is what I want to talk a bit about today. I found it a bit fascinating. This guy, I will show you soon what it is. This cost 30 bucks. I'm very excited about this one. And how come that when I bought this guy, like a few days ago, the Canon RC, what are they called? Canon R5C. You see? Cameras. The thing is, I don't get excited. I don't get like an adrenaline rush anymore when I buy stuff at all. I mean, sometimes you get a few seconds first time you open a box and look, wow, new camera, this is very exciting. Zero. Nothing. I feel nothing. And I guess it's because when you've been doing this for many years, being a photographer, this is just a tool, you know. So why did you buy this, you might say? Well, I have no idea, really. I thought it would give me some kind of rush to get excited doing more stuff. Maybe it will come, but I just want to get to know the camera as fast as possible, learn everything, program the buttons so everything will work very nice way, and then it's just a tool, and then I'd put it aside. I haven't even tried this camera yet, shooting on this channel or for some client work. Nothing. I haven't started using it yet, but probably I will. But you know, in Sweden this costs, I think, around $5,000. $30, and this gives me a rush. How is this possible? I wonder. Maybe you can tell me. Is it the same for you guys, or do you get very excited when you buy something new? I mean, something expensive like a camera, or do you get more excited about the small stuff, the small tweaks that will help you? And I will show you what this is. This is something very, very simple. This is a battery mounting plate for lights, like LED light. Just put it on the side here, like this, and you attach it like this. Then you take a V-mount battery. This is like a V-mount. This is more common in film photography. I'm doing a lot of film work, so I have many of these very powerful V-mount batteries. So you just click it like that, and then we need to connect this cable. This is a what are they called? D-tap, P-tap, whatever. And you connect it to the battery, and because of this LED cob light, you power it up with a USB-C cable, and then on. See? Super simple. Very, very nice solution, I think. So this is something I get very excited about. to find a very simple solution for something very powerful, I guess. And I use this LED light when I'm recording these YouTube videos. And I also got this guy, a Godox, that I use here in the studio when I'm filming the YouTube videos, and has Bowen's mount on this LED. And you know, because I'm moving around a lot the light when I'm filming the YouTube videos, and having a cable adapter to power, you know, it's disaster. So this small tiny V-mount plate, I guess it's called, this little guy, this just makes my life so much easier. So this camera will not make my life easier in any way, you know, but this $30 plate will. People think that I'm a very camera nerdy guy or something, but I'm not at all. I hate cameras. Not hate, I mean, this is just a tool. So guys, what do you say? Are you the same? I hope not. Okay, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and especially a big thanks to the coffee supporters supporting this channel with coffee. The members, thanks a lot. Good coffee today. Swedish coffee. Well, I guess the beans are not Swedish, but the brand, I guess. Yeah, you know what I mean. So remember, I will see you next time.